You may know that the Louisiana Digital Library provides open access to digitized state materials such as historic maps of Louisiana, photographs of early Mardi Gras parades, and transcripts of interviews with Louisiana activists. However, the LDL also openly provides access to all types of data related to these historic materials. For one, you can download a spreadsheet containing the information connected to each item on a search results page. For example, if you search the LDL for Huey Long, you can then download the information about each item related to Huey Long. We are currently developing free tutorials that demonstrate ways you might use that data. You can also access data that provides a broad overview of the entire LDL, such as the types of content available. Currently, we have over 70,000 newspaper pages. Data like this makes the LDL as a whole openly available for study. Whether you hope to skim through our historic state materials or you're interested in digging deeper into the data connected to our collections, the LDL provides open access to resources that will help you achieve your research goals.